Hello guys, welcome to the beautiful mega world. Dito ito sa Vietnam. As you can see guys, very beautiful. Kaya palang ganda ng tourism nila because they're investing into very beautiful places like this. Actually, as you can see, it's very nice. Lalo na paggabi, amazing to see. Amazing to see. At saka ang dami mga foreigners coming here just to experience at nighttime. May mga shows sila dito actually. Very beautiful.
Buenos dias!
Hello
Buenos
guys, good
dias.
morning and welcome to the Mega Grand World.
Ayan guys, as you can see, may malaking bridge dito with different colors. Maganda talaga mga building structures dito. Para ka nasa Europe with different colors, rainbow colors. And it's very amazing, lalo na siguro pag night time.
As you can see guys, na-amaze ako sa place actually. It's very beautiful. You can see a lot of people here.
Wala naman people die, bakla. Anyway guys, siguro pag night time, sa the other side may mga group of people din nakikita natin. Pero mga amigos and amigas, this is what I really like. I really like that I'll do vlogging in a place na wala masyadong makikita mga tao. I mean, you know, may mga tao pero sa other side, pero dito, itong area dito, wala sila masyadong tao today. Ayan
It's
kaya
very
ang
beautiful
saya-saya.
here at the Mega Grand World guys. Beautiful.
Yes, mga amigas and amigas, ang laki talaga ng mga buildings dito with different colors, different structures, and amazing to see. Parang hindi ka nasa Vietnam, parang ka nasa Europe. As you can see, may lake dito guys, a man-made na lake. As you can see, wow, amazing. Parang it's a canal. Parang ka nasa Venice. Ayan as you can see guys. Actually, may ganito din sa Pilipinas pero not outdoors. Ito masyadong malaki talaga guys. It's very huge. Laki-laki talaga niya. Ang haba-haba talaga. And of course, pag dumadagsa dito ang tao, ang daming nag-open mga boutiques, mga restaurants sa area. Maraming mga restaurants, fast food, and everything. Hindi kayo magugutom when you walk here, of course. Pero mahaba-habang lakaran talaga guys. Kasi, you know, kikita ninyo, ipapasyal kayo sa different places like Korea, Japan, Thailand, ganyan. Maraming mga area na iniikot-ikot nila, ganyan. Sasakay kayo sa isa parang mga coaster. Iikot-ikot kayo kasi ang haba-haba ng lakaran guys. Mapapagod ang mga beauty niyo sa kakalakad. Ang ganda talaga dito guys, mag pictorials. Of course, pag mahilig kayo sa Instagrams, mga pictorials niyo na mga outcast pictorials. Ayan para ako nasa Europe. As you can see guys, rarampa bakla. Ayan it's very nice. Parang you are in a fantasy land. As you can see guys, it's very huge, it's very grand, it's very fabulous. Of course, gusto yung mag-pictorials, punta kayo dito for amazing photos. Very nice to see this beautiful place. Kaya pala, dinadagsa ang Vietnam, it is because nag-invest sila sa mga beautiful things like this one. Of course, sana ang Pilipinas maganda din ang mga plano natin sa Philippines. Of course, para mag-boom ang economy at ang tourism natin. Ang ganda sa Pilipinas, kaso lang ang daming korupsyon. Kaya nga ang daming corruption. Kaya paano tayo magiging bonggang turismo natin? It is because ang daming corruption. And until now, wala pa tayong mga cable cars, guys. Nakakaya naman sa atin, di ba? Pag nakikita nyo sa ibang bansa. That's why I'm traveling. I wanted to compare all the beautiful things that I'm seeing right now in other countries, especially here in Vietnam. As you can see, guys, ang ganda-ganda ng lake. As you can see, may mga dito yung gondola. You can ride gondola going to the other side and going to the other side din. Maraming mga gondolas dito. And it's beautiful. It's huge. Malaki. Grand. Fabulous. Ganon ang mga sinasabi ko. It is because it's really true. It's very amazing to visit this place. Pag nighttime guys, may mga shows dito. Of course, naiilaw ito lahat. Umiilaw ang lugar na ito. And it's beautiful to see, especially at nighttime. Pero ngayon, daytime, hindi na ako abot siguro ng gabi. It is because marami pa ako pupuntahan sa Hanoi. Anyway, as you can see guys, rarampa si Bakla dito. At least nakapunta rin ako dito. This is one of my bucket list to see this place. Kasi nakikita dito sa mga post na ang ganda-ganda talaga ng lugar. And I wanted to see if it's really true. And it's really true.
February 2, of course, they are preparing for the Tet, and it's the New Year celebration of the Chinese New Year in the beautiful country of Vietnam. As you can see here in my video, they're doing the decorating now.
Yes guys, it's February today, 2026. Kaya nagde-decorate ang mga Vietnamese people because they're celebrating Chinese New Year, and that is what we called here in Vietnam the Tet celebration, TET. It's like Chinese New Year here for this year's 2026. Ayan, nagde-decorate sila. Kaya maganda mag-visit ngayon dito sa Vietnam because you're gonna see a lot of beautiful things, especially mga decorative items around the corner or in every corner, I mean. Mega Grand World Hanoi is a massive 18.7 hectare entertainment and shopping complex located in Ocean City between Vinhomes Ocean Park 2 and 3. It is designed as a city that never sleeps, blending classic European architecture, notably Venice-inspired canals with vibrant East Asian themes like K-Town.
Ayan, as you can see guys, beautiful.
Paggabi guys dito nagpe-perform, ang dami nagpe-perform dito, may mga performers sila here at saka umiilaw itong lugar na ito.
Sila po naman takawamira todo con Judea. Kasi it's very color and it's very nice here. Actually, a model in London. Yeah. So beautiful here. Hi. Wow. Look at that.
Ang isa sa mga highlights ng mga show dito guys, yung The Grand Voyage Show, a daily large-scale 3D mapping and water music performance on a giant boat stage. It is free to watch and typically runs at 7 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. Is lang guys mapunta dito guys. Actually, ang entrance dito is for free. And then, kung gusto niyo pumunta dito, if you're from Hanoi, kung nasa Hanoi kayo, pumunta kayo sa Hanoi Opera House. Yes, mga amigos y amigas, free ang fare. Pag pumunta kayo sa Hanoi Opera House, hanapin ninyo yung Vin Bus. Of course, yung green bus na ang Vin Bus. Of course, sasakay kayo doon. Gawin na kayo here. Of course, dadalhin kayo dito ng bus shuttle for free. Pero kung hindi kayo makasakay ng Vin Bus, of course, kung kailangan ninyo taxi, Grab, or whatever, pwede din. Yes, mga amigos y amigas, assurance ko sa inyo na this place is very nice. Of course, ma-enjoy kayo dito pag pumunta kayo dito. At saka, you're gonna have a great photo. Of course, pag mahilig kayo sa mga pictures and whatever, I know that you're gonna have a great time. If, for example, you're gonna have a chance to visit this place.
Kaya maganda ng tourism nila, it is because they're investing, the country is investing into something very beautiful that people from all over the world are admiring, and of course they're coming here just to see this place. As you can see, pag night time, may mga shows sila dito and it's very beautiful, it's very huge. Sana ang Pilipinas ganito din, di ba guys? Ano ba yan? I don't know if it's private or by the government, but I really love the place. Ang ganda talaga for the tourism of the place. You know? Ang ganda pang hatag. Actually, marami ngayon mga ginagawa because today is February, almost New Year na. May mga shows sila dito. They're preparing for shows kasi magpe-perform si Judea.
Anyway guys, I'm encouraging you to come here, of course. Hindi kayo masyado magagastos dito guys because for free lang ang entrance, and then kung mag-avail kayo ng mga bus ride, free din siya, may shuttle siya, sinabi ko a while ago. Pupunta lang kayo sa Hanoi Opera House. Doon kayo, if nandun kayo sa Hanoi, pupunta kayo doon sa Hanoi Opera House. Hanapin nyo yung Vin Bus, mga shuttles. Of course, nagdadala sila dito yung mga tao for free. Of course, iniikot-ikot yan. Marami, pwede kayo bumalik from here going back to Hanoi, right again yung Vin Bus na yon. Pero if you happen to ride taxi or Grab, pwede din. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Judas Touch to see more. I'll let you see and explore more of the beautiful country Vietnam. Bye!
Aww.